Hello, I'm John Gibbons. Welcome to Blown Out of Proportion. Today we have a very special guest, the man, the myth, the TikTok legend, Santa Claus.
Well, hello there, my friends.
Well, thank you for joining us from your busy schedule at the North Pole. Are you excited to be here today? Make some glass?
I am so very excited to be here. I hear that we might be making an ornament.
Yes, Christmas ornaments. And maybe a candy cane too.
Wonderful, very exciting. I cannot wait to learn something new.
Right on, let's get busy.
Let's do it, my friends.
Hey, thanks to our sponsors, Kingsley North, and now back to our show. Cool, that's probably good. All right, let's go ahead and walk it over to the glory hole.
And what are we looking for at this point?
You see how that's kind of going clear?
Yes.
That means it's plenty hot. So go ahead, rotate it as you pull it out, and then go over to that cobalt.
And we're not resting it on there, right? With the
Right,
weight.
you're just kind of just touching it. Yeah, you don't want to smash it into the color. That's cool.
Is that
Yeah.
good?
Yeah, let's go take it over to the.
We're going to heat it up again. It's an ornament, a baby ornament in there. It has not been born yet.
Okay, maybe we got to get it a little hotter. Go ahead, stick that back in the heat.
It's like the sun in there, John.
Yeah, it's about 2,200 degrees.
My goodness.
There it goes. Slow down, slow down. Okay. Okay. Off, off. Whoa, that's a big one. All right.
My goodness.
Now we just got to put a little hook.
Wonderful. Pull it up a little.
Up a little. You can teach your elves. Okay.
It reminds me of the hook of a candy cane. I see a lot of similarities with glass making and candy making as well. My goodness.
That's exciting.
Very excited. What happened? What did we do?
Well, I don't know if it imploded or exploded, but it just got too cold.
My goodness.
You got to be really quick with glass.
Well, this is why we practice things.
This is why we practice, yeah. That's why we wear safety glasses, too.
Certainly.
Well.
My goodness. Well, let's try it again.
Let's try it again.
It's amazing the colors that you see inside.
Yeah.
Now, is this the furnace? Is this what we call it?
Well, this is called the glory hole. The furnace holds the glass. Cool, right on. All right, stick that back in the glory hole here. Plenty hot. All right, let's see it. Okay, I'm gonna go rub it on, roll it on this table here.
Look at all of the colors on that. How wonderful.
I'm gonna give it a little more heat.
Now, what are you seeing to require more heat?
Well, it's just the shape. Like it took too long to get it into shape, so that means it's cooling. And then, yeah, that was really it. So, yeah, so you want it like as long as it is wide. And so, and then you got to keep it like I'm putting a skin on the glass. Okay,
Is it working?
It's not
It's
working.
too cold,
You
John.
gotta get it cold, hotter. Now, I think you actually started the teeniest little bubble, so. Okay, slow down, stop. Okay, can you puff a little more? Okay, stop. Whoa, whoa. One more little tiny puff. Okay, stop. There we go. There it is. That'll do the trick. Okay.
What an experience, John. Now this is, we're removing it now from...
Yeah, so now I'm gonna get the little candy cane loop.
How amazing, my friends. Can you see it? And we do not want to touch it, it's very hot. With all of this molten glass, the working time is quite quick.
Yeah, you gotta move before it cools.
Wonderful, wonderful.
There we go.
Nicely done, nicely done. A Christmas ornament is born. And already cool enough to pick it up right there.
Well, we gotta stick it in this 900-degree oven
And cool it off slowly, right?
Slowly overnight, yeah. And it'll
Wonderful.
be done in about 8 hours.
Wonderful.
Cool.
Nicely
Right
done.
on.
Very exciting. With a little bit of explosion here and there.
Yes.
It's magical, my friends, quite magical.
So did you have a busy Christmas?
It was a very chaotic season.
I bet.
So very many gifts to create.
Okay, pull that on out. Let's see if it's hot. Yeah, that looks good. Okay.
Wonderful. Now tell me what you are doing when you put it in there.
Well, I see the glass is way
see it
down
in there?
in the furnace, and it's hard to tell the difference between the glass and the rest of the glowing material in there. But
It's amazing that as hot as it is, it's now white. It's not even yellow.
yeah, and so it's orange because it's so molten, and it'll soon become more clear, which means it's getting colder. Pick up 2 chunks of color that we'll use to make a molten candy cane.
Molten candy cane.
Okay, here we go.
And what colors are these?
Red and white.
And what are you looking for in here? When is it ready?
Well, I'm letting them move a little bit. They're starting to like flop a little bit, so, because if you come out too quick, they'll crack. So now I'm just gonna get them a little closer together.
So the glass right here is just to hold these 2 pieces in place.
Right, this clear. And so they'll become one, and then we'll start twisting them into a spiral, and then create a rod, and you know the shape.
Well, I'm quite the connoisseur of candy canes,
I
John.
bet you are.
Peppermint oil, a very
Peppermint
wonderful
oil.
thing.
Okay, so
You're turning them into one piece.
yeah, and I'm sure you've seen real candy canes get made. It's pretty much
I've
the
helped
same.
make them.
Oh,
A
cool.
wonderful thing. Now, I visit a few places that are making candy canes. Mrs. Claus has banished me from the kitchen as I'm always trying to eat all of the things.
All right, go ahead, stick it back in the glory hole. To tell you the truth, I've never made a candy cane, so yeah, my first time too.
The first time. Well, I'm very happy to be here for your first candy cane. Now, why put it in the water for a moment? To harden the end?
Well,
to pull
so
it?
it becomes colder. It just doesn't melt away. I need something hard to grab.
Now, I've seen in Venice where they will hang them and let them drop from a taller area.
Right.
Making canes, right?
Yeah, exactly. And give that end a smack.
Right here or
No,
here?
no, right there.
Well, go away,
we
my
go.
friend.
There we
You
go.
are not needed here today. It's like a little dancing snake.
There's a little guy.
And the red is so very hot, it looks black to me.
Yeah, it'll pop when it cools.
And what is this thing called
Oh,
here?
that's a torch that allows me to pinpoint the heat. And so I can break it right where I need it. There we go. Here, you want to give that a little heat in the
Wonderful.
oven?
It's time to clean up those eyebrows.
There we go. Say that's perfect.
It
You're
looks like a
natural.
candy cane.
You're a natural. Cool.
Amazing.
And I'll put this glove on.
And then into the oven to slowly cool. How wonderful.
Alrighty.
Nicely done. Now, John, I was noticing
Yeah.
all of the hair's gone here.
Yeah, that's a prerequisite. Or
Nicely
a
done.
rite of passage, you could say.
Very good.
Right on.
Wonderful,
Well, I'm
wonderful.
so glad you could get out of the North Pole for a little
This was a very exciting
ornament
experience.
making.
We've been making ornaments, my friends, and candy canes as well.
Yeah. All right, let's see what we made yesterday. Awesome. So a couple candy canes and an ornament, perfect for the North Pole. Okay, so the final step in the glass blowing process is to grind away the sharp part of this piece of glass here on the bottom. I'm going to use this sintered Kingsley North wheel, and what's so great about this wheel is there's almost a 1/4 inch of diamond in this wheel. All that brown is diamond, and this thing will literally last maybe my entire career. So let's start grinding that away right now. All right, there it is, all finished. I polished it up with the Kingsley North sintered diamond wheel. And if you need any other cold working equipment or anything at all for grinding glass and gemstones, check out kingsleynorth.com. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share the video. And we'll see you next time on Blown Out of Proportion.